Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota RAV4. First, gather your tools: a drain pan, funnel, socket set, oil filter wrench, new oil, and a new filter with gaskets. Safety is paramount, so use a jack and jack stands or ramps to securely lift your vehicle. Run the engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it drain more easily. Once your RAV4 is safely elevated, you might need to remove an under panel to access the drain plug and oil filter. Place your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which typically requires a 14mm socket. Slowly loosen the drain plug, being mindful that the oil will be warm. Allow all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. Once your coffee is brewed, the fun of customization begins. You can enhance your drink by adding a splash of milk, cream, or your favorite milk alternative. For those who enjoy a sweeter taste, stir in some sugar, a flavored syrup, or a natural sweetener. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavorings, such as a hint of vanilla or a dash of caramel, to create a truly personalized beverage. Enjoy your perfectly crafted coffee. Replace the oil filler cap and start your engine, letting it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Inspect thoroughly for any leaks. Finally, remember to reset your maintenance light and responsibly recycle the used oil and filter at an appropriate facility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.